So, what are you drawing?
Hi.
Hi. You draw a circle? Let me see. Let me draw something, and I'm gonna draw a letter, and you tell me what letter it is. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What letter is this?
A.
And what sound does A make?
A.
Good.
Apple.
Very good. Okay. And what letter is this?
B.
And what's the sound for B?
B.
B. Good.
Octopus.
No, like ball.
Ball.
Yeah, very good. Okay, what letter is that?
C. Computer.
Computer. Good job, honey. And what letter is that?
D.
D. D. Good. Very like dog, huh? Dog.
Then dog.
Dog. Good. What about?
Then dog.
Okay. And what letter is this?
E.
E. And what sound does E make?
A.
Eh. Good.
Eggs.
Eggs. Good job. Okay, what letter is that?
F.
Good.
Fish.
Fish. Good job, honey. Okay. And what letter is this?
G.
And what sound does a G make?
J.
J. Or G.
G.
Good. And what about that letter? What's that?
Egg.
Good, honey. Like hat, huh?
No, like helicopter.
Oh, helicopter. Yeah, you're right. It is like helicopter. Okay. What about this letter?
I.
What's the sound?
A.
Good, honey. Very good. What about this letter?
J. J.
J. Good job. Yep. What about that letter?
K.
Good, honey. And?
L. A.
Good. Very good. And what about this one?
M. Monkeys.
Monkey, yep. What about that letter? What letter is it? What's the letter, though? That's the sound of the letter, but what's the letter?
N.
And the sound is N. Good. What starts with the N sound? Neck?
Neck.
Good. What about this letter?
O. R. Octopus.
Very good. And this one?
P. All done.
Not yet. What's a P sound like?
Pizza.
Pizza. Good job. And what about this letter?
Q.
What's it sound like? Do you remember?
Yeah.
What is it? Good. You remembered. Very good, honey. Okay. Q. And then what's this?
R.
Good. That one.
S.
Good. Snake. Good job. And that one?
T.
And that one?
U.
Do you remember the sound?
U.
Like umbrella.
Umbrella.
Good job.
And the other one.
And the other one is?
V.
Good. Very good. And what's this letter?
W.
W. Good. What's a W sound like?
Le iba a tirar, nomás que la agarró mal.
Remember?
Que rebotó feo, ¿vieron?
W sounds like a...
Wa.
Good! There you go! And what about this one?
X.
Mm-hmm. X, good. And what? Oh, I said it. What's that letter?
Y.
Y. And what's the sound?
Yeah.
Good job, honey. And one more letter. What's that letter?
Z.
Uh-huh.
Z.
Very good, Alexa. You're very smart.
Other one, Mom.
What other one?
That one.
Well, there's no more. That's the last letter.
All done.
All done. Hey, high five. You're very smart. I'm very proud of you. Good job.
Abre, abre.
You're only, how old are you? 2 years old, and you already know all your sounds, almost all your sounds to your letters. Great job, baby. Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah.